I'm Pavitra, a nutritionist by profession. My IELTS test is based on my immigration. I got to know from one of the agent who is helping me out with immigration. Quite easy and simple, and I've got the updates till date through mail and SMS. Quite convenient. The environment was too good. It was perfectly clean and quite silent also to go ahead with the test. So to begin with, at the entrance itself they had a table with the sanitizer and hand gloves. So passing that, we had a check on temperature, and post which we have been given with a questionnaire which had different aspects of travel and health being assessed detailed. And then after going through all these check only, we were called up for the initial photography session. Definitely, the place was completely hygienic, and they had hand sanitizer wherever we went, even near the area where we had to give a fingerprint test. Also inside the test room, it was quite hygienic, and with the help of gloves and everything, quite safe for us to go ahead with the test.